Hello everyone. Welcome to Electro Center. Today we will be talking about top 5 tips and tricks for increasing the impression in the videos, which results increasing in the views. If you follow all the steps, it's 100% granted that your video will have more impression than now. Please try it once, believe me, you will see the difference. If the tricks really works for you, please show some support by subscribing the channel for more information in coming days. Let's go. Thumbnail design. Don't put lots of information in the thumbnail. Put the straight information what the video is about in 4 to 5 words or 1 sentences of 5 to 6 words. Make sure that the size of word is that much big enough that it covers 50% space in the thumbnail. If this whole image is thumbnail, then you can see almost half of the image is used for showing the information, just in 3 to 4 letters. Thumbnail pictures. If you are inserting pictures in thumbnail, make sure that the picture looks like a high-quality image. To do that, use any photo editor and increase the contrast, increase the sharpness, increase the saturation, and if required, use hue for changing whole image color. Uploading video tricks. Don't upload the video first and make it unlisted and later edit the details again. First, make everything ready like title, tags, video description, and enter all the information during the processing of videos and make it unlisted. Later, after finished processing, you can just schedule the video for public. To find the searchable title and tags, open incognito windows in your browser and open YouTube. And in search box, just type a word about your video. You will see the searched keywords based on the words that you type. And you can use these keywords as your title and tags. After making list of tags, write the video description using those tags, as SEO ranking will be high if title, tags, description is matching. After your video is uploaded, and schedule it to be public at least after 2 hours. As soon as the video gets public from any other 1 or 2 account except the channel account, search your video which is published now and watch the full video by yourself, which makes that your video is getting click-through rate, and the YouTube algorithm will show your video to more people, and the impressions gets increased for sure. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you again.